In this video, you will be provided with an introduction to the MainView AutoOPERATOR mainframe automation solution, including an overview of AutoOPERATOR concepts, functions, and components. Mainframe computer operators have many responsibilities that must be handled continuously throughout each workday. They must review and respond to messages from various system consoles, answer phone calls, and perform tasks that need to happen based on a particular time of day. These operational responsibilities and tasks are carried out repeatedly each day in accordance with corporate and data center policies. For each of these events, such as system messages, phone calls, and time-based requirements, operators must decide to ignore the message or event if it is of low importance or does not require any response, tell somebody about it, such as a systems programmer, someone in the help desk area, etc., or respond to the message or event by replying to a message, entering a command, etc. MainView AutoOPERATOR provides functionality which allows users to automate and standardize responses to repetitive mainframe messages and events. When system events and messages are managed by AutoOPERATOR, the instance of human errors can be greatly reduced or totally eliminated. AutoOPERATOR provides the capability to suppress low-importance system messages, eliminating unnecessary messages from your system consoles, resulting in improved visibility for higher importance messages and events. Users can also benefit from utilizing MainView AutoOPERATOR to automate their mainframe IPL processes and shorten the time it takes to complete a system IPL. AutoOPERATOR can also be used to provide an automated resolution to a system problem or error. MainView AutoOPERATOR helps operators through error minimization, improved productivity, and problem determination, prevention, and resolution. The base functions which are included with MainView AutoOPERATOR include the rules processor, which provides an online panel-driven process for the users to define rules, which can then be used to trap and take action on system messages and events and time-initiated tasks. The alerts application provides a mechanism to identify an event that is occurring within your system, such as a started task ab ending or your system dump datasets reaching 99% full. Alerts can be created by the various MainView monitors to indicate or notify that a situation is occurring on one of your systems that requires attention. The Exec manager within AutoOPERATOR allows users to execute rex execs as a response to a system event, message, or situation. The automation reporter function monitors and displays information about the activities and performance of MainView AutoOPERATOR. The Open Systems Procedural Interface, or OSPI function, allows users to create an interface between AutoOPERATOR and any VTAM-based application. The Dynamic Parameter Manager function of AutoOPERATOR manages the parameters which control AutoOPERATOR and allows users to make dynamic changes through online panels to the AutoOPERATOR parameters, such as those which are stored in the MainView UBB PARM file. The AO Anywhere function allows users to access and interact with AutoOPERATOR from outside of the AutoOPERATOR product address space. For example, a user might have a need for a batch job to perform some type of automation, such as creating a WTO or write to operator message or issuing a system command from the batch job. MainView AutoOPERATOR provides several different technology-based solutions dependent upon the subsystems and/or environments that the user needs to automate. These solutions are AutoOperator for ZOS, which is used for automating the ZOS environment. This solution is also used for automation of the ZOS DB2 environment. AutoOperator for CICS is used to automate and respond to CICS situations, messages, and events. AutoOperator for MQ is used for automation in the ZOS MQ series environment, and AutoOperator for IMS is used to automate and respond to IMS, DBDC, and DB control events, messages, and situations. Each of these auto operation solutions consists of an event collector, which is a method for listening to the messages, events, and situations that are occurring in the particular environment. The commands processor, which allows AutoOperator to respond to system events, messages, and situations in the form of a rule or an exec or a command. Additionally, AutoOperator control displays, or OCDs, are included in each AutoOperator solution, which provide online panels in a simplified method for users to create rules and specify the automation actions which need to be taken in response to a system message, event, or problem. The OCDs eliminate the need for creating complex programs or typing long commands to respond to a system event. The AutoOperator for ZOS solution handles automation for the mainframe ZOS environment. The BMC internal product code abbreviation for this solution is MAO, and you may see this code from time to time in various messages produced by AutoOperator or within the online panels. AutoOperator for ZOS traps WTO and WTOR messages, and those messages can then subsequently be suppressed or reworded or rerouted to a different console. If a user enters a system command, that command can also automatically be changed or rejected. AutoOperator for ZOS can also issue ZOS commands from your AutoOperator terminal session or by creating a rule to issue a command or from a Rex exec. If your site is licensed for the MainView SysProg Services product, AutoOperator is also integrated with this MainView product. When AutoOperator is used in conjunction with SysProg Services, you can perform functions such as obtaining information on the devices that are allocated to your system and perform commands or actions upon those devices. The Total Object Manager component, or TOM, is also included with AutoOperator for ZOS. TOM provides a basic infrastructure that manages a variety of objects in a ZOS Sysplex environment. TOM operates in its own product address space, or PAS, on each LPAR, and is associated with a single MainView AutoOperator PAS on each LPAR. TOM allows users to automatically manage the availability, startup, and shutdown of started task address spaces and Unix system services, processes, or daemons. TOM can be utilized to simplify and automate your mainframe IPL process. The Continuous State Manager feature, or CSM, is also included with AutoOperator for ZOS. This feature also controls the availability and automated startup and shutdown of ZOS address spaces. The CSM feature has been functionally stabilized by BMC and will only be maintained for compatibility purposes as new versions of ZOS are released. No new functionality will be developed for CSM. While BMC has not released an end-of-support date for CSM, our recommendation is for you to eventually convert from CSM, or Continuous State Manager, to TOM. The auto operator for CICS solution, or CAO, traps messages produced by CICS and CICS applications. Many of the messages produced by CICS are written to transient data queues. Not all of the DFH messages produced by CICS are written as WTO messages to the console. Several of these are written to the transient data queues. For example, when a transaction abends within CICS, the message which indicates that the transaction abended does not get sent to the system console by CICS. It is written to a transient data queue. So if you have a need to perform an automated action when a CICS transaction abends within CICS, AutoOperator for CICS will allow you to define and perform the action you need to take in this situation. AutoOperator for CICS can also be used for issuing CICS commands based on a particular condition or event, and CICS transactions may also be started through AutoOperator. The operator control displays, or OCDs, that are available within AutoOperator for CICS will allow you to verify the status of your CICS regions, send broadcast messages to all CICS connected terminals, for example, to notify users that a region is being brought down. There are also several panels and displays within AutoOperator for CICS that allow users to automate their CICS DB control environment when CICS is being used to communicate with an IMS region through DB control. This includes actions such as starting and stopping IMS databases, etc. AutoOperator for IMS, or IAO, can be used to trap messages and commands that are issued within IMS. Messages that occur within IMS can be suppressed, modified, or an automated action can be taken as a result of the message. AutoOperator for IMS can also be used to perform IMS commands either through a terminal session, online panels, or through an AO rule or Rex Exec. AutoOperator for IMS can also initiate IMS transactions and automatically control IMS resources such as starting and stopping databases, PSBs, etc. Both IMS Type 1 and Type 2 commands are supported within AutoOperator for IMS, and IMS Plex commands are also supported. The OCD displays within AutoOperator for IMS will allow you to review and verify the status of your IMS resources, such as databases, transactions, etc., and will also allow you to create automation for these resources. The AutoOperator for MQ solution, or QAO, provides automation for the ZOS MQ series environment. AutoOperator for MQ can see and automate messages which are placed on the MQ event instrumentation local queue. For example, when MQ series detects that a particular message queue has become full, the resulting message from MQ is not written out to the ZOS console as a WTO message. Instead, the message which indicates the condition is written to an event instrumentation queue within MQ. AutoOperator for MQ can see the message on the event instrumentation queue and respond to it in an automated fashion. AutoOperator for MQ also provides full access to the MQ environment via Rex Execs. AO for MQ also has a full access to the MQ environment through the use of the MQ API, or Application Programming Interface. Through the use of the MQ API, AutoOperator can be used to both put and get messages from the various queues. As mentioned earlier, the AutoOperator for ZOS solution includes the TOM, or Total Object Manager feature. Tom provides the infrastructure to automatically manage the availability, startup and shutdown of ZOS started tasks and USS processes or daemons. Tom also allows interdependencies to exist between started tasks and USS processes. Tom also provides the capability to manage and automate the interdependencies of objects which exist on different LPARs. Tom operates in its own product address space or PAS on each LPAR and is associated with a single MainView AutoOPERATOR PAS on each LPAR. The MainView AutoOPERATOR product address space or PAS acts as the server to the Tom address space on each LPAR. Tom uses objects, sets, and calendars to manage the availability of ZOS started tasks and USS daemons. Tom will be discussed in more detail in a separate MainView training video. MainView AutoOPERATOR provides several different ways to interface with the AutoOPERATOR product address space, which is also known as the BBISS address space or PAS. Users can connect to AutoOPERATOR via a TSO ISPF session by invoking or launching the MainView CList, which is distributed with the product. The MainView CList may be executed by selecting an option from your ISPF menu, which subsequently invokes the MainView CList, or users may also directly invoke this CList. When accessing AutoOPERATOR from a VTAM or EXCP session, the MainView CList is automatically invoked and launched for you. Users may also interact with AutoOPERATOR through ZOS console commands to perform tasks such as invoking an automation exec manually. The MainView Explorer GUI interface, which is included with AutoOPERATOR, may also be used. All Windows mode capabilities of AutoOPERATOR are available through the MainView Explorer GUI interface. This concludes the BMC MainView AutoOPERATOR Concepts, Functions, Components training session. Thank you.